In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp Web. By the end, you'll be confidently messaging from your computer with everything synced to your phone. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result, which takes you to web.whatsapp.com. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a large QR code on the page. For safety, avoid unfamiliar links and only use the official WhatsApp website. Next, link your account. The quickest way is to scan the QR code using your phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the menu for linked devices, choose Link a Device, and point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen. It takes just a second. If you prefer, or if the option is available in your region, you can log in with your phone number instead. Enter your number on the site, confirm it's correct, and follow the on-screen prompts to verify from your phone. If the QR code times out while you're setting up, simply refresh the page and try again. Once you've completed the scan or phone number verification, you'll be logged in. If the camera permission prompt appears on your phone, allow it so the scan works. A stable internet connection on both your phone and computer helps the first sign-in go smoothly. After you're in, your messages, media, and status updates will automatically sync between your phone and the web. Give it a moment. Older chats and larger media files may take a bit to appear. End-to-end encryption remains in place, and you can continue conversations just like on your phone, including sending photos, documents, voice notes, and emojis. On the left sidebar, click the status icon to view your contacts' updates and post your own. You can upload a photo or video, type a quick text update, and choose who can see it. As you browse your contacts' statuses, you can react with emojis or reply directly with a message, which continues privately in your chat. You'll also see the Channels icon. Channels let you stay updated on topics you care about by following creators, organizations, or interests that share one-way updates. Browse recommended channels, follow the ones you like, and, if it's available to you, create your own channel to broadcast announcements to followers. Finally, explore communities to join or create organized, topic-based groups. Communities bring related group chats together under one umbrella, making it easy to find conversations that matter and receive important announcements from admins without clutter. That's it. Open the site, link your account, and enjoy a full, synced WhatsApp experience right from your computer.